Venus in the first house was where you have a love for your own self-expression and the way you express yourself. Venus in the second house is when you have a personal love for your personal bank account. All right? And then Venus in the third house is when you have a love for the way you communicate to others. You love to communicate. Venus in the fourth house is when you have a love for being at home and a love for vehicles, luxury vehicles. Venus in the fifth house, which means you love to go to parties, you love video games, and you also love gambling. That can be a problem. And then you have Venus in the sixth house. You have a love for pets, cats, dogs, mainly cats, but it shows a love for pets. Now, Venus in the seventh house is when you have a love relationship. You love being in relationships and you have a love for being with someone else. Venus in the eighth house gives a love for tattoos and a love for occult knowledge. Venus in the ninth house gives a love for travel, a love for airports, and a love for religion in general. Venus in the 10th house means you love your workplace, you love your reputation, and you love your father. Venus in the 11th house, which means you have a love for friends, a love for your dreams and desires. And then finally, Venus in the 12th house. You have a love for sanctuaries and a love for being alone and isolated. Thank you.